Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I want to be sharing with you guys some happy mail that I received. This is from my friend Darlene, and how beautiful does this tag flip look, you guys? It's so amazing. I love it so much. I love the way pink and red looks together. I know that it's, I don't know, very taboo. A lot of people don't like it, but I think it looks so cute. I absolutely love how it turned out. So I want to show you guys first the goodies that she sent me. She sent me some treat bags. These are the ones from Walmart. So she sent me a few of those and packaged them up super cute. She sent me a memory dex card. It says dream and a little flower. Super cute. I love this. And then you guys, she sent me a little pack of those little, I think they're buttons. I think they're buttons. Let's see. She sent me two more, but my wife took them because one was like a little dog and a rainbow, and she loves that. Look at the little button. This one's a little like a vintage clown. We have a little bee. A little butterfly. An ice cream, this cute little angel, and this little bear. She also sent me this little pack filled with goodies. I'm not going to open this one up, but it just has a bunch of puffy hearts and stuff. And then lastly, she sent me some stickers, packaged up also, super cute. And look, you guys, how cute is this? It's got the little red tool on the top, and it says, let me try to fix it. There you go. It says, from my heart to your heart. And then it just has that. Look at how cute this is. A door with some wings. We have this cute little heart. I love the layers. And there's this one. I love these. These are so cute with the big heart, like a tag right here. Look at this heart, you guys. How cute is she? She's so cute. She put like a little tag in the back. And there's this one that says kiss me. It has like some lips here and some hearts. And we have this tag. I like the phone, it's so cute. Hello, Valentine. We have that one. Thanks for being so sweet. She wrote my name on this one. You're my type. I'm very fond of you. Happy Valentine's Day. Some little heart glasses. And then the last one is this big pocket right here, which she added some like little goodies, but she attached them. Isn't that cute, you guys? I love this so much. It's so pretty. I love the color combo. Super cute and fun. But yeah, you guys, that was the happy mail that I received from my friend Darlene. I'm gonna have her Instagram down below, so you guys can definitely go check her out. But that's my short video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to see when I upload a new video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.